Hi, my name is Flora. I'm a first year in the program and I'm in the DIR. So I was actually a bio major for the first 2 years because of my interest in human anatomy and physiology, but I felt that that was kind of broad and I wanted a more focused bridge to healthcare. So when I found out about this program, I instantly fell in love with it and made the switch over. I enjoy feeling like I'm part of a team and contributing to something, and just being hands-on and applying what I'm learning in class in a clinical setting and working with actual patients. I really enjoy the fact that we alternate between class and clinical because it allows me time to focus on one and then the other and catch up with class if I need to during clinical, and being able to apply what we learned in class and clinical directly after we learn it. With my experience being in a small cohort size in high school, I found that I really benefited from that, and working with the same people for 2 years and helping each other out and knowing we're all in this together is just a really great feeling to have when you finish the program. For now, I'm planning on working as a tech, but also taking my classes on the side to finish for applying for pre-med and then preparing for the MCAT. If you feel like you're in one of the larger majors like bio and chemistry and you feel like you're kind of drifting through and don't really feel like you belong in large classroom sizes with 200 people, and you find that you would really benefit from having that healthcare experience and being part of a team and working with people, then I would definitely recommend doing this program.